Hello, the kids are ready for their adventure.
We're not going yet.
They have taken their walking sticks.
Hello, people who I never saw before. Hello guys. Jackie. देखो Jackie. कोने खा लेता है. अब मुझे हमको ले जाओ. क्या हुआ? A crocodile. Hello, Brick. Zara, I need to find a stick. Zara, I need a stick. Okay, I'm going to find one. Don't go past the sleeping dog. It will attack you.
Let the sleeping dogs lie. Don't disturb
I
them.
found one stick for
He
you.
is a friendly dog.
That stick is... Yeah, that's a friendly dog. Maybe it's a bad. I found another one too. Actually, the stick is kind of weak. Okay, what about this one? That one is short but strong. No one, it's not. Come on, let's just go. My stick is weak though. Mine are all like this. Okay. Wow, it's so relaxing to watch the news. Wow, this feels like autumn. It feels like we just teleported to autumn, you know? Hello, guy who's smiling. Hello, Dad. Wait for me.
Don't run. Just a brisk walk. No running, please. Bamboo, bounce. A bamboo tree. Butterfly. Yeah, big butterfly. Are you tired? Are you? It's too hot. They are running. Come back. Go. कहाँ चले हैं?
वो जा रहे हैं।
वो गर्मी है यार, धूप में जा रहे हैं। बस यार, आ गई हैं हम।